'Cause we'll be on a tablet.
Hello, Darren. Good morning. Is this still morning? Okay, wait. I'm sending you the link. I'm still loading the page, but I think we were working on the recursive, right? It's still loading. Let me send you the link. Tablet is being so slow today. I think it is the recursive, right? When we are creating, like power, function power and everything. It is conditionals. Mystery function writing recursive. Okay. The student project link, and this is the link. Okay, please share screen, Darren. Mine is not loading. It takes forever. Okay, let me check. Have you got the link? Still loading, still loading. Let me check. Ah, there. Okay, thank you, Darren. Okay, still loading. Right. Just wait for a while. Okay. There you go. The last time we are doing, why yours is loading, mine is not. It's still some even, count 3. Oh, yeah, yes, I remember. Where were we? Problem 4, problem 5, problem 4. Oh, that one. You remember, Darren? Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, wait. Your goal is to write. Your goal is to write a recursive function that figures out how many trees could fit inside. Oh, this one. How do we check? How do we check? Mine is not working, so I have to work. I have to type on your screen. Let me load again. How about? Okay. Let me check. Let me do it here. Let's try. Def count, def phrase. Oh, okay. This is easy. I think your goal is to, okay, count trees. Oh, so if n0 count 3 n -1 minus 1. Do we have tesnya nggak sih? Ada nggak sih? How do we check the answer? Let me check. 6, 14. Is 14 correct? Oh, there is 5 harusnya 1 ya. Wait. Some even. Count some even 11. Some even 11, 6. Okay. Count 3, it's supposed to be 5. If n less than 3, return 0. Return. Oh. Dan 1 plus count freeze, n minus 1. Oh, I ingat n minus 3 ya, harusnya ya? Benar tadi ya? Oke, let me check. Harusnya 1 dong. Kok 14 sih? How do we get 14 this? Karena rekursif ya? Oh, mana tadi? Where's the instruction? We forgot this, Darren, and return. Gimana ya? N sama dengan N ini. Count freeze in N. We have 5. So, kalau lebih kecil, no. Else, N dibagi. Atau gini aja. Tapi manggilnya di mana ya, Darren ya? We have to call count freeze minus 1. Nah, dulu. Gimana ya? Gimana ya? How do we do this? Wait, we have to read carefully. Your goal to write a cursive count freeze 11. 1 plus count freeze. Oke, return. Berarti kan gini ya? Gini kan, Darren ya? Return ini kan? Tapi, but we have to put tapi naruhnya di mana ya? Kalau ini kan gini ya, elif begini, count to some even, return count. Oh, ini kali ya. N atau gini. Tapi kita ngitung baginya di mana ya? We have to divide it by 3, right? So we basically have to return this, right? Cobain dulu deh gini deh. Return and gini kan harusnya. Coba ya. Tapi dia belum recursive. This is not recursive. Kok 14 sih sebenarnya? Udah diganti deh. Dan why do we keep getting this 14? Oke, biar nggak pusing ini matiin dulu aja ya. I think I'm going to comment out this part. Oh, or this part. So we don't get confused. Oh, 0, 3, 6, 14. Oh, that's correct then. Oh, oke. Ini berarti return. Ini pakai break ya? Ya udah ini dihilangin dulu ya. Let me. Oke. Enam, 14, 3. Hah, dan do you have any idea where do we get all of these prints? Wait. 6 sama 14. Ini yang ngeprint siapa lagi sih ya? Oh, we have a lot. Oh iya, di atas masih ada. Forgot. I'm sorry, Darren. Pantesan bingung. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm sorry. Need some time to catch up. Oke. Ini count phrase 3 ya berarti ya. Ini benar dong Darren berarti. So when we have it, when it is 4, tapi ini belum rekursif. Ini belum rekursif sih. Kalau 5 berarti berapa? Sorry, salah. Wrong. Okay. I should put it in here. Sorry. It's supposed to be 5 here. And we have 1. Oh iya ya, kalau 1, kalau 5. Suka lupa. Oke, Darren. We need some coffee. Oke, 1 ya. Berarti kalau misalnya, what do we have? Like 15. So we have 5, right? 5, 3. Okay. Now we got it. We got this right, Darren. We got this right, but this is not a recursive one. So I have to think. Oh. How about this? Elif. And ini berapa sih? Berarti kan gini ya. Let me code ya. Let me scratch up. Like we have 15, right? 15. Divide by 3. Itu dibulatin kan. So then we have 5 already ya. So how do we how do we get I don't get this one. Oh, instruction. Count phrase 3 and then 1 count phrase. Okay, then else. Count phrase and 3 berarti. There you go. We got this right now. Now we can continue. Okay, I'm going to print all. Squares we done. Even is done. Count phrase is done. Now you were about to do the other this one, right? Let's continue this one there. Let me run all of them. 6, 14, 0, and 5. Okay. Let me check the instruction if they have 3. When we put 11, it's supposed to be 3. Okay, let me check. Okay, Darren, continue. Now do this one. The last, the 5th, right? So it's supposed to be sum m to n. To sum the integers between n and m, including n and m. For example, okay. Gimana ya berarti ya? 3 sampai 5, 3 sampai 4. Rekursifnya gimana sih jadinya? Tunggu. Oh, jadi gini ya, Mbak. Let me check. Is it like this? Like when we have these numbers, equals 1. 2, 3, and then 4, and then, oh, this is easy, Darren. So we just to sum all of them, we do it like this. We add this one with the sum of all of this. Okay. While for this part, we will add this 4 plus this one. Okay. And then going to the inner 3 plus this one. And then 2 plus this. And then 1 plus 0. And then 1 plus 0. So what we do is, okay, mine is not loading. My Replit is not loading. It is loading, but no progress. So I'm just going to, so I think, oh, I know. I think it's just like this, Darren. Sum m to n, m, n minus 1, right? So when we call the function print sum m to n, let's say 3 to 5, or 0 to 15, 0 to 5, right? It's supposed to be 15, right? That exceed. Wait. Oh, M. Sorry. How do we? Wait. Apa yang salah ya, Darren ya? Oh, di 3, 4, 5, right? 5. Berarti kan yang berkurang. The one supposed to be decreased by 1 is the n, right? So we are calling, okay, return sum m to n kan, print sum to n. Coba ya kalau saja, how about this? How about 3 to 5? Oh, the recursion goes wrong. It went wrong. Okay, let me check. Oh, I see. We have to add this. Okay, what's wrong then? Return n plus sum m to n, m, comma, n minus 1. What did we miss, Darren? Between 0 and 5 should return 0, 15. Sum 3. Okay. So let's check. Okay, let me check. Okay, let's say this. Okay, so for the first one, it will return 5 plus sum m-nya apa? M-nya 3. 3 to 4, right? Ini berarti kan jadinya 4, ya kan? Plus sum 3 to 3, right? Oh, kayaknya harus ditambah ya. Kalau kalau N-nya udah sama dengan M harus break ya? Bener nggak sih? Bener nggak sih, Darren? I think we have to check if M equals. Ya udah, gini. Kayaknya syaratnya harus itu deh. I don't think so. I think so. Wait. Hah? Mana? Oh, apa yang salah? Oh, non-type-nya nggak bisa ditambahin. Gimana ya caranya? Keluar dari loop apa sih? Break di Python apa ya? Break from loop. Break from loop. Break from loop. Tapi mah nggak ada sih. Exit kan harusnya. Benar deh, Darren harusnya gini. Oh, oke. Pokoknya M-nya nggak boleh sama dengan N kan. Tapi kalau gini dia errornya jadi beda. Oh, tuh ini gini. Replica routing. Kenapa nggak mau ya? If N tidak sama dengan N, we have to solve this there. We have to. Oh, I'm so curious. Int and non-type. Kenapa non-type ya? Kok yang di atas bisa sih, Darren? What's wrong? What do we do wrong? Oh, bener dong. Harus ditambah dong. Kayaknya ditambah udah deh. Ditambah udah. Let me think. Ditambah udah. Return udah. Plus yang conference jalan. Apa karena ini pakai dua variabel ya? Coba Darren, you can change it. Oh, repliknya kenapa lagi ya? M plus 2. Kan 5, berarti 5 ditambah dia manggil. Oh, I know that. Oh, return N. Oh. Nah, N? Enggak dong. Oh, wait. Berarti kan N. Berarti returnnya bukan N dong, berarti kalau N ini berarti N ditambah M. Enggak dong. Return N ditambah sum dari dia, tapi seman sampai situ kan. Berarti kan sampai situ. Yang sampai situ manggil lagi, dia N-nya itu sampai situ. Replit-nya kenapa? Coba ya, let me check my replit overload nih kayaknya. Kenapa ya? Coba. Still not loading. The replit's broken. How can we refresh it? What's this? You're not online? Okay. Then recursive sequence, we just still booting. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm going to check the last the last lesson about this recursive. I'm going to open it on the Replit. Fibonacci is going to be harder. Okay. Okay, meanwhile, can you open this, Darren? Let's do this. Yeah, try this one. We will just keep this one for a while. Okay, the Fibonacci, is it loading? Mine is not. Replit is being unreliable. Oh, there. Oh, there. Okay, shall we do this? Turn. Fibonacci is about adding to previous number. Okay, do you think it's going to be easy? Satu tambah dua gitu kan ya? Satu. Okay, so it's like this, right? We click. Let me do annotation. Okay, so this is 0. If you want index 0, 1, and then 1 plus 0 will be 2 at 1, and then index 2 will be 1 plus 1, so we get 2, and then for the next we have 1 plus 2, so we become 3, and then the next 2 plus 3, it will become 5, and then the next 3, 4 plus 5. Okay, so how to create this? Code the Fibonacci. What's this? write the Fibonacci sequence. So basically we have to make this fit n and then return. Okay. If n equals 0, return 0. If n sama dengan 1, return 1. Else, return Fibonacci 7 should return 21. 1 tambah 1, 1 tambah 2. 1 plus 1. Tunggu. 1 tambah 1, 2. 1 tambah 2, 3. 2 tambah 3, 5. Gini kan harusnya. Oke, let me 1, 0, 1. 0 tambah 1 jadi 1 gitu kan ya, Darren ya. 1 plus 1 become 2. And then 1 plus 2 becomes 3, right? And then 2 plus 3 becomes 5. And then 5 plus 3 becomes 8. And then 8 plus 5 becomes 13. And then 13 plus 8 becomes 21. So this is for Fibonacci 7, right? Because we have the index to be 7. So the index is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So how to code this? So we need to, okay, when 7, where do we start? So it will call itself and a function calls and only one argument. Gini nggak misalnya? Oh, okay. Itu nggak sih, Darren? You think this correct? Let's print. Print if 7. Okay. Return fib n plus fib. Berarti kalau 7, berarti Fibonacci 7 ditambah Fibonacci 6, 1. Harusnya benar ya, tapi apa yang salah ya? Okay, what do you think, Darren? How we fix this? Oh! Thank you, Darren. Tapi masih salah apa dong? Sama dengan 0 sama dengan 1 benar kan? I think it's correct. Oh, ada yang salah ya. Okay, let me. Oh, mine is loading. Wait. This is Fibonacci, right? Let me check. What's wrong ya? Fibonacci. It's basically adding up. Atau harus minus 1 sama minus 2 ya? Tambah minus dong. Ah, berhasil Darren. We got this Darren. Tapi kita kurang 1. It's supposed to be 21, right? Why is it only stop there? Fix it, Darren. It's supposed to be 21, but we only okay. Should we add another one? We need to or like this. Darren. Or like this. Ya kan jadi error kalau ada N. Gimana ya? Atau N minus 3. Error, gak bisa, gak nyampe. Gak nyampe, Darren. Oh, I know. Ada 79. Gimana, Darren? We got this right, but we missed one calculation. Or how about we just miss this one? We just skip this one. So we get one more. Bukan jadi error ya. Harus ada ini. Tapi why do we? Apa gini? Enggak dong. Enggak. Benar. Karena sebelumnya dan sebelumnya kan, sebelumnya N sama sebelumnya N kan. So we have to add up the previous and the previous of the previous one, right? The two previous one before us. Us is to be N. So N minus 1 and N minus 2, right? But I don't get it. Why? Okay, di instruction kalau 6 harusnya pasti jadi 8. This is supposed to be 13, but we got it right. Okay, 8. Yes, we just missed one step. How to add that? Berarti kok kalau Fibonacci-nya 0, return 0, 1, 1. Pas 2, berarti 0 tambah 1. Coba, Darren tambahin apa? Okay, let me think. Let me think. Missing. Gimana ya caranya? Kurang bisa nggak? Apa dong berarti? Coba ya. Let me calculate ya manually. When we have this 7, and then we're going down, right? So fib 7 should be fib 7 itu berarti kan ngitung fib 6 plus fib 5, right? Ya kan? Fib 5 sama fib, ya kan? Fib 5 sama fib 6. Fib 6 itu berarti fib. Oh, or I know there. I know. Ini nggak sih? Tapi fib ya harusnya. Oh, gini bener. Kalau gini gimana? Nah, ini 11. Ini 16. Ini 13. Terus kita nambahin satu lagi gimana ya? Itu tinggal nambahin. Kalau N min 1 bisa nggak? Definitely has to be. Darren. Berarti we are supposed to, kalau kita mau itu segitu, berarti ini harus 8 ya. Boleh licik nggak sih kita tambahin 1? Kalau 8 dia, we miss one step. How to add one more step? Any idea, Darren? Atau I know how to cheat. I know how to cheat. When we enter, and then we change it n plus 1. Like this. Tapi error ya, gak bisa ya? Oh, gak bisa ya? Kenapa ya? Atau di sini nggak mau ya? Ya udah. Ya udah. Tapi di sini coba n plus 1. Oh, jadi dilebihin 1 supaya dia ngerupnya sekali lagi. Oh, gak bisa ya, Dan? Gimana ya ngetriknya supaya dia mau jadi nambahin 1 lagi ya, 1 loop lagi ya? Jadi kurang sekali lagi ke sana. 7 kan? Nah, instructionnya penasaran banget tunggu. Ya apa sih Fibonacci sequence pattern? Oh, ada helpernya. Euler. Oh my God, we still have this problem. Tunggu yang ini dulu, tenang. Coba ya tes dulu ya. Kalau fib 0 dia benar nggak? Let me test. 0 should be 1. Salah dong, ini 1 ya. No should be 1. 1 should be 1. Oke, 3 harusnya berapa? 3 supposed to be 2. Kalau 3 supposed to be 3, bener loh. Enggak dong. Kalau 2 harusnya apa? 2 supposed to be 2. Oke. 3 supposed to be 3. Cobain deh kalau gitu. Tar, dan let me check. Cobain ya kita print semua aja deh, pusing. Oke. Sabar ya. Sabar ya. Oke. Copy. We have to be patient. We can do this. Paste. Hey, paste my code. Oh, astagfirullah. Oke. Kita lihat salahnya di mana. Ini. We'll see where on which stage we start to 1 1 2 3 5 8. Oh, Darren, we got this right. Actually, now we got this right because it prints everything, right? Don't you agree? 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 20, right? Look, 1 1 2 3 5 8 13. We got this right, Darren. How come? He was wrong the last time. It is because the replet is not booting or something. Okay, so we done with this? Yeah, it is. Okay, okay. We got this right. Okay, okay. Now you do it. Let's do this now. Okay, if you try a large number as the test case in your previous version, that is takes a long time to compute and perhaps even crash rapidly. This is because the numbers create an enormous amount of recursion. Calling Fibonacci 10 will call Fib 9, Fib 8, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. We can do better. Okay, so what to do? Come on, like we have to do Fib slow and Fib n. Huh? Okay, this is Fib slow. It works. It's slow, but works. Okay. Okay. Continue there. I'm going to. Okay. Mine, I think. Okay. Oh, I need to join you. Wait. I'm going to join you. Okay. Right click so I can type in my screen. Teams. Okay, here. I'm going to join you. Huh. Okay. Okay, good. I'm on your page now. Okay. Now, okay, we have to add helper, Fib helper and previous current. Ah, Okay, so we have this helper, Darren. Okay, def, fib, helper, and previous, current, like that. If n equals 0, apa ya? Return 0. Else, return, I don't know yet. But for this, of fib, return, fib helper, and 0, 1. Okay, what's next? The variable n should count down to 0. Its recursive call the helper function should pass the value 1 less to n. Then the Fibonacci number should be generated using the other two arguments. On any given, oh, okay, so okay, let me think. So we just need to add this one, right? The line 13, right? Line 13, what to do? Oh, wait. Wait. Okay. It's all 0. So let us compare the slow one with the new one, okay? And see how that works. All right. We still haven't get that right. But I want to check. Okay, this one we got this right? For the Fibonacci slow. Check it, Darren, here. I tried. Okay, this is correct, right? All right. Now, read the instructions. So what do the helper help? We are going to use helper function to count up. So it is counting up. Oh, like this? No. So it is counting up. The variable n should count down to 0. So its recursive call of the helper function should pass a value 1 less. Oh, 1 less to n. But I'm confused on how to set the previous and current. Do you have any idea there? So this is 5 and then 0 and 1. Oh. Previous. They're not working. Wait. Let me read again. The variable n should count down to 0. Each recursive call, the helper function should pass a value less to n minus. Okay. Okay. Then the Fibonacci number should be generated using the other two arguments. On any given recursive call, previous should contain the previous Fibonacci number. So it has to be 1, right? And current should have the current one. Zero. Wait. Let's read again. Fibonacci helper, berarti helpernya selalu n-1 kan? Nah, 01 berarti kan previous sama current. Previous sama currentnya itu berarti selalu n yes n1 kan? Oh, dia urutannya beda, Darren. So let me check. Here, take a look at this. So, and on this part, it is always have to be n-1, right? So n-1 for the next, right? And the hardest part, I think, is this part, because we have to set up the previous and the current and how to get it. This is yang sebelumnya, the previous, and this one is the current. How do we get this? Do you have any idea? Berarti kan kalau gitu previous ya. So, Darren, do you observe that like this, Darren? See, we have to pass on this, like, you know, the card will be the previous and so on. See, like, so there must be a part of the code to set the previous and the current. But how do we got the current? The current supposed to be the previous got it from the current. The current supposed to be the current. Gimana yang ambilnya? It's just recursive call with different value passed on n. Previous and current. The values in the recursive call themselves calculate the answer. Can we? Oh, okay. Helpernya berarti ya, oke, helpernya dia dari 0 ke 1 kan? Berarti dia manggil helper. And previous. Shall we add something here? Gimana ya? Enggak sih, benar gini sih. Kan sekarang itu ya, previousnya N. Berarti, oh oke. Coba di-run dulu. Previous and current. Oh, this is supposed to be helper. Oh, helper tuh pun harus banyak ya? Berarti gimana dong, Darren? Atau ini vape aja ya? Jangan helper ya? Ini vape ya? Wow, error, look at this. This is confusing. Hah? Yes. Then, vape 1 takes position now. Oh, sorry. Helper. This is confusing, you know. Okay. Let me check. Vape helper 5. Berarti dia return 5 kan? Terus dia 0 sama 1. So dia ngambil Can we use just regular Fibonacci number? Should it has to be okay? Or gimana cara ngambilnya ya? Ref sama currentnya gimana sih, Darren? Previous sama currentnya, how do we get? Mine is ours. This one is more comprehensive. This one is not. I got confused. Wait, see? When it's 0, it will become 0. Okay. Okay. Tell me if you get any idea. We will do it for a while, and then we'll find something else to do, Darren. You might want to try. Well, I'm going to find something else. This is di paper gitu. I'm going to find something. Okay, let me find. Python with turtle. Fake passport generator. Wow. The computing Python. Okay, let me find something interesting, Darren. Wait. So we don't get stuck with that. Let us with Python. Hangman. Python calculator. Simple Python game. Not bad. Let me check on our teams. If we have another lesson that can be done without us being crazy, you know. We've done all of that. Lip number, solo game, loop, text-based, and then mystery functions, recursive, Fibonacci. I think let's try something else. Something you won't get bored. Okay. Okay, how about I'm giving you a challenge, Darren. Instead of doing this one, can you make me okay. Can you make me a Pascal triangle, Darren? We just make a new file. Do you know about that? Pascal triangle. But I want it to be printed as is. So it's like you have this number, and then you have these two numbers, and then the next line is the sum of the previous two numbers. So this one will be 2, and we just copy the others. So here we will have 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. And then this one stays the same. And then this one will be 4. And 3 add up to 3 will be 6. And then this is 4. And then this is 1. Like that, Darren. Would you like to try? And this one to be 5. This is 10. This is 10. 5. So when we say Pascal triangle 5, it's supposed to print this. Do you think it's going to be hard? Do you want to try now? You want to skip this Fibonacci, or you want to keep on going on this? Or do you want to do the Pascal triangle? Okay, let's do it. How about, I think like this, Darren. Let's start over. I think, but you have to share it with me. So, replicate, sorry. Okay, can we just replicate.com. Okay, so here, new folder. No. Oh gini Darren. Loh, my replit. Oh ini aja deh di sini deh. I don't know aja nggak apa-apa. I think we just add this one. Oh, just do it in here, Darren, on main. Try to do it here. Oh, and invite me. Am I being invited? I want to join the code. Okay, replit. Go, Darren. I'm going to remove this so you won't get in your way. Let me see if I got invited by you. Oh, no. Give me the link, Darren. Oh, generate a join link. Copy this to Zoom. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Darren. I'm going to try to join you. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, let's start. So first, what to do? Do we need some kind of array or something? Where do we start? I think the first thing to do is to make sure that we will always have that number 1, right? So how to yeah. Let me try. Coba dulu ya. For each in range. M. let's do some testing. Okay. So I want to add this print and print J. Oh, here. There's wait, there is an M. There's an M on my keyboard. What noise? Okay. Okay. Let's ignore about the number, but at least we have the structure, right? Now, how to make it look like a triangle, Darren? So I think we want to print it like, so basically, uh, uh, for your note, you want to take note, some notes that I is for the row, J is for the column. So why do I insert this end equals equals quotes? It is to make what this loop printing to be on the same line. So this one is to make it to move to the next line. So for each row, it will move to the next line. Okay. So now what we are going to add is we are going to add some space so that it will, like shift it to the right to make that triangle shape. Okay. Kayaknya nih kalau digedein bagus deh. Okay, let's try saya 10 deh. Nah, gitu kan ya. Okay. Okay. So now we will add some space. Gimana caranya nambahin space-nya? Segini nggak ya? Oke. Looking better kan ya, lumayan. Nah, now we are going to add some space, okay? For A and range. Berarti kalau gitu kan kita mau shift ke kanan ya. Berarti biar jadi segitiga, itu kan kita we need kayak gini kan, Darren? Instead of this shape, we want it to be like this, right? So basically, we have to add some space over here, right? And then the space will be less for each row, right? So let's say it has like 5 spaces on the first line. It's supposed to have 4 spaces on the second line and so on. So we're going to fill in this part with spaces. So I'm going to add another counter. I will call it A. So it has to be A in range. I'm going to count down n to 0 minus 1. And then print. Oh, no. Space. In range of 0. Oh, no. N minus 1. Minus I. 0 minus. Oh. That is. There. Does it look good? Good enough there? Is it, do you think it's what do we did? We did it a little bit to the right or something? Huh? Is this what we want? Do you think it's right? Okay. Then now we have to change the numbers. Can you do it? So it has to be the Pascal numbers. How to set up. We've got this shape, but not yet the numbers. So what to print? Ya, apa yang kurang ya? I think this we need atau ini sih? Enggak ya. Ini kan gini ya. Tapi ini nggak usah ada sih. Okay, I think this is the best that we can do it. Now, how to change the numbers? So we have to change the number to be printed, right? So let's say we still have 8 minutes. Don't worry, we can finish it next class. By the way, you are going to have a holiday, right, Darren? Until May. That's so nice. So we have to change the J to be something else. We have to change this line to be something else. But it's not that easy because we need it like this. We need it to be like this. So how? Okay, this is supposed to be 6, right? 4 and so on. There. So how do we change the numbers? Five. Remember that we should always have 0 on each row. And then I think this part is following the row plus 1. This is also okay. But this part is hard. I think this is going to be hard, this one. This. Because we have to compute it from the previous numbers. So if we put it like this, let's say 1, 1, 1, and then 1, 2, 1, and then 1. Oh, wrong colors. Yeah, let's say we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, and so on. And then we print it like so. The sequence should be like this. The series should be like this. So this is hard, you know. Let me add some. Let me add some index. So this is the first, the first, the 0. Okay. And then the 4th, and the 5th, and the 6th, and the 7th, 8th, 9th, Down. Okay. So let's see the correlation now. So this is the first, right? And then this one is okay. This add up become this one, right? And then ini yang tiga ini dari mana coba? This 3 is from 1, this one. And then these 3 got it from this one and this one, right? Here. And so on. So the index 1, index 4 from index 2, 4 from 1, 2, 3 from 3, 4, 7 from 3, 4, 8 from 4, 5. And then the next 4, can we see any can we see any correlation? No, right? Not yet. Coba Darren ada ide nggak? Atau kita harus, how do we recognize the specific numbers to be add up? Oh, or we just parse the one. So when we find one and then add it up to the next, that it will be our next number, like this. Probably, yeah. We still have 2 minutes, wait. The first one is there, okay? And then we have this, okay, this second and third, the third one, right? And then we will add the fourth automatically, but we have to add up this one to get 2, right? And then for this one, we automatically add 1. So after that, we have to get the next number, which is this one. So this is automatically added. But to get 3, we have to add up this one to get 3. And then add up this one to get another 3. And then add 1 and the other automatically. And for the next one, 4, we have to add up this one, right? And add up this one to be 6. And then add up this one to be 4. And then add the next, the next 2 ones, right there. So for the next, we have to add up this to get 5. And then add up this to get 10. And also this to get another 10. And then add this one to get another 5. And then add the last one. So can you see the sequence? So I think what we have to remember that we have to see that okay, 1 more minute there. Take a look at this. You know, the width of the number to be generated on the next line is like this. So for these 2, just 1, right? For the next two numbers, for the next 3 numbers, for the next 4. So there's a sequence. So for each row, we should add 2, 1 for the beginning and the end, and then insert some numbers in between, right? The numbers in between, we generate from the previous numbers. So if we know the index of the previous numbers, and then we can do it, right? So I think we can do it using an array next time. Okay, for next time, I suggest doing it with array. I don't know if you have something else in mind, Darren, array or list, I think. List or array. So to make sure, to keep in track of the previous numbers. Okay, I think we're done. Any question, Darren? You're going to a holiday, okay? No question, okay. Happy holiday, Darren. Have fun. See you on May. After you finish the holiday. Thank you so much for today. Bye, Darren.